damp oscillation. See, damped means opposed. So when a body is moving and somebody is opposing the motion, then its amplitude will increase or decrease. Like suppose you are studying and somebody is opposing your studies. It may be your health issue, it may be time issue. Then definitely your maximum mark will decrease, which you are thinking to get in the exam. Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
So that means if I am moving and somebody is pulling me from behind, my motion will be retarded. So oscillation in which amplitude decreases due to opposing force such as air drag, friction is called as damped oscillation. So the oscillations the oscillations in which amplitude goes on decreasing due to opposing forces such as friction, comma, air drag, etc. is called as damped oscillations. Is called as damped oscillations. Diagram of damped oscillator. Right definition, then diagram I am drawing, which is resemblance of damped oscillation.
Done. Done, sir.
Okay. Diagram of damped oscillator. This is rigid support. Spring. So this is connected one block. Spring. Block. Block is connected to, this is called as vane. VAN, it is called vane, which is made to move in a liquid due to viscous force of liquid. There is opposition in the motion. So this is schematic diagram for damped oscillator. Complete the diagram. Done diagram.
Yes.
Everybody has done the diagram. Yes, everybody has done the
Yes.
diagram. Okay. Derive expression for differential equation in damped oscillation. Derive expression for differential equation in damped oscillation. Consider a body of mass m performing damped oscillation. The forces acting on the body are first restoring force Fr, which is directly proportional to the displacement and directed opposite. Therefore, Fr equals to minus Kx, where K is constant called as force constant. Copy this first part.
Del, sir.
Okay. Second, dam force F suffix D, which is directly proportional to the velocity V of the block and directed opposite to the motion. Therefore, FD is proportional to minus V. FD equals to minus BV, where B is constant called as damped constant. Its SI unit is kg per second. See, force means Newton. Newton is mass into acceleration. And V is velocity meter per second. Meter per second. Meter per second. Both sides cancel. I get damped constant unit as kg per second. Okay. Hello? Unit followed. Why it is kg
Yes,
per
sir.
second? Okay. Copy this much. So net force acting will be sum of restoring force and damped force.
Done, sir.
Okay. Therefore, F equals to Fr plus damped force. So mass into acceleration is minus kx minus bv. So ma plus bv plus kx equal to 0. M acceleration is second order derivative of displacement. Velocity is first order derivative of displacement plus kx is 0. This is differential equation of damped oscillation. Right now, if it is only oscillation, then we have first term and last term. Because of damped, we got b into velocity wala term.
Done, sir.
Okay. Its solution is given by x equals to ae raised to minus bt upon 2m cos of omega t plus phase difference phi, where amplitude equals to ae minus bt upon 2m. This shows that it decreases exponentially, right? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Graph of amplitude versus time in damp oscillation. Time in second. This is amplitude. Maximum is plus a on the right side and minus a on the left side. Because maximum is when time is 0, then it decreases exponentially. Decreases exponentially. So amplitude changes in this form. Draw the diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay. The angular frequency of damp oscillation comma omega is root of k by m minus b upon 2m the whole square. Time period capital T is 2 pi root of k by m minus of b by 2m square. So in denominator, you are getting one extra term minus b by 2m. That means denominator is decreasing. So we can say thus time period will increase. That is velocity of oscillation will decrease. So time period is increasing, velocity is decreasing. This completes damped oscillation topic. Now something of friction will do, spring will do, then remaining MCQs.
Done, sir.
Okay. Time period of body oscillating with spring. This is a spring tied to a block of mass m. It is oscillating. Force constant is k. So time period of block spring arrangement, comma t is 2 pi upon root of k by m, which is 2 pi root of m by k. Right. When springs are connected in series, then resultant force constant, comma k, 1 upon k in series is 1 upon k1 plus 1 upon K2 plus 1 upon Kn. Second, when springs are connected in parallel, then resultant. Can I clear this previous one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
When spring in series, result is given by 1 upon K series, 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2 dot 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 in parallel, then resultant is given by K in parallel equals to K1 plus K2 dot 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 up to Kn. Two points, if you complete, tell me.
Tell, sir.
Just a second, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Third point, when spring is made 1 upon n times, then force constant becomes K dash equal to n times K. Means when you cut the spring into two parts, length will become half, K will become 2K, 2K. So just remember again this concept. Length is decreased, then K is increased.
Done, sir.
Now come to MCQ sheet, which we have left in between in last lecture. So today we'll complete this chapter. Open the PDF of oscillation.
So what was the last point? If the spring is made 1 by n times.
Where were you?
Sir, I got disconnected.
Right? Written?
Yes, sir, done.
Now last class we have done till some number 54. 5, but one sum we have left in between, 54 wala. A pendulum with solid sphere has bob of mass m. A simple pendulum with solid sphere of, actually brass hai, of brass has its bob oscillates with perfect t, with period t. Okay, air में period t से oscillate कर रहा है. When it is immersed in water, of specific brasses of specific gravity 8, this relative density is 8. Calculate time period of the pendulum now. Say first remember what is specific gravity. Net G will increase or decrease when it is immersed in water? Net G. Yes, net G will increase or decrease? Net acceleration will increase or decrease? Are you gone mad? You're not answering? When body is dipped in water, what happens to the body? So specific gravity means relative density. And relative density is density of that body with respect to water. If specific gravity I take x, then weight in air upon loss of weight in water is called relative density. Weight in air is mass into g when body is in air. This is m g1 minus g when body is in water. X g1 minus x g2 is g1. So x g1 minus g1 is x g2. G1 common, x minus 1 equals to x g2. Therefore, g1 upon g2 is equals to x upon x minus 1. So whenever it is relation of acceleration in air and then body is immersed in water, if specific gravity given, I will remember this format so that I can do this some fast. That will come in 3 chapters. One is elasticity, other is oscillation. Third, we will get in stationary wave, that means superposition of wave. Fourth, sometimes we can get in gravity chapter, gravitation. So just copy till this, then I will be using this concept to find new time period. And this decrease in the weight of the body is due to upthrust. It is also called buoyant force. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So since time period of pendulum is 2 pi root of L by G, so first time period upon second time period, here only net G is changing, it will be G2 by G1. First time period is T, second we want G2 by G1, that is x minus 1 upon x, where x is specific gravity. So T upon T2 is 8 minus 1 upon 8 in root. That means T upon T2 is root of 7 by 8. Therefore, T2 is 8 upon 7 root times T. This is the answer. Root of 8 by 7 times T.
Done, sir.
Sum number 55 we have done in the last class. 56. Two simple pendulum of length 1 meter and length 4 meter are in phase with each other. They start oscillating simultaneously. They start at same time, that means simultaneously. They will be again in phase after shorter pendulum has completed how many oscillation? So again in phase after shorter one has completed how many oscillation? Say suppose two friends are standing on प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2 and 4 टू कैच द ट्रेन. दोनों का ट्रेन साथ में आया. दोनों ने घड़ी अपना सेट किया, बोला जब भी वापस मिलेंगे हम लोग घड़ी देखेंगे कितना टाइम हो रहा है. सो व्हेन दे मीट अगेन, स्टार्ट किया 10 बजे, घड़ी में 12 बज रहा था. So what they have taken same when they meet? Is it time is same for both of them?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
साथ में स्टार्ट किया, जब भी मिलेंगे तो वही बजने वाला है ना, सेम टाइम दोनों के घड़ी में. Because they started together simultaneously, both will take same time. So when they are in phase, ये फास्ट गाड़ी पकड़ा, स्लो ट्रेन पकड़ा, और ये फास्ट ट्रेन पकड़ा. ये जब ये आगे गया तब तक ये पहुंचा नहीं, ये पीछे आया, अभी तक ये सेम डायरेक्शन में नहीं हो, और चक्कर लगाया तभी देखा एक जगह पे दोनों एक डायरेक्शन में फेस कर रहे हैं. मतलब इसने ज्यादा ऑसिलेशन किया, इसने लेस ऑसिलेशन किया, बिकॉज ये स्लो था ना और ये फास्ट था. बराबर.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन जब फिर से दोनों का चेहरा ऐसे ही हो गया सेम डायरेक्शन में, तो लोग बोले हम लोग अभी फिर से सेम फेज पे आ गए. लेकिन अंदर का बात क्या है, दोनों का चक्कर अलग अलग है ना, खाली एक ही चीज सेम है, टाइम सेम. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
can I say when both start simultaneously and meet simultaneously, at least time taken by both of them is same. I hope you followed this concept. So
Yes,
time
sir.
taken by first is same as time taken by second. If first one has completed one oscillation, then how much time it has taken in terms of time period? Can I say one time period? Two oscillation, then two time period, three oscillation, then three time period, four oscillation, then four time period. So n1 oscillation, then n1 times time period. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And second one, n2 times time period. So n1 upon n2 is t2 by t1. So n1 upon n2 is root of L2 by L1. So n1 upon n2 is 4 by 1. Therefore n1 upon n2 is 2 by 1. Therefore n1 is 2 times n2. Whenever you get something into product, is something into that product. Same product. पहले भी समझाया था मैंने. Whenever I get product same, then I find LCM. What is LCM of this coefficient 1 and this coefficient 2? Is it 2? Product
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. Product is 2. Now, if N1 is 2 and N2 is 1, then left and right will be matching. Then only left and right will be matching.
Yes.
So shorter has performed how many oscillation? 2 oscillation when they are in phase with each other. So answer is 2 oscillation. When shorter has performed 2 oscillation, then they are in phase with each other again. Everybody has followed perfectly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Complete.
Sir, could you explain the last part again?
Who is this?
Pranjali.
You were there in the meeting?
No, sir, I got disconnected.
So tell that way. I got disconnected. Can you explain? Otherwise, I feel
Yes,
suspect.
sir.
If you can't understand this simple thing, how can I dream that you are going to get full mark?
Yes, sir, sorry.
I told this is matching. Left hand side is right hand side. So whenever you get product, xy is constant. That means x1, y1 is x2, y2. Then first find LCM. Here nothing is there means what is there? 1. Na?
Yes,
What is LCM of 1, 2?
2.
So I want to make left hand side, right hand side 2, 2. Then n1 should be 2 and n2 should be 1.
Yes, sir.
N2 matlab longer one, n1 is shorter one.
Yes.
They want oscillation of shorter. So shorter has performed 2 oscillation and when they are in phase with each other. This is the main. Still any doubt?
No, sir, got. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Shorter is completed 2 oscillation. Option A.
Done, sir.
Yes, everybody is completed. 56.
Yes, sir.
57. Length of seconds pendulum. See, इतना टफ ना एग्जाम में शायद नहीं आए. बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. Length of second pendulum g upon pi square है ना?
Yes, sir.
So don't expect such good question to be asked in exam. A pendulum clock has period t on earth. When this clock is placed on moon, what will happen? At moon, what happens which we know? G of moon becomes 1/6 G of earth.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
time period, which is 2 pi root of L by G, will become how many times? मतलब G कम हो गया ना, इतना दिख रहा है ना?
Yes.
So time period will increase, correct or not?
Yes.
If time period increases, then clock runs slow or fast? Slow. That's why it is taking more time. So clock will run slow. Option A. Solve.
Ten, sir.
Next, a simple pendulum has length L1 when time is 4 seconds, length L2 when time is 3 seconds, when length is L1 minus L2, what is time? Whenever two length, two time given, always take ratio. So time period is 2 pi root L by G. First upon second is root of L1 by L2. So 4 by 3 is root of L1 by L2. 16 by 9 is L1 by L2. Therefore, L1 will become 16 by 9 times L2. Now, ratio of first and third time is length L1 upon L1 minus L2. You can take second and third also. So, T1 is 4 seconds, T3 we want. L1 is 16 upon 9 times L2. 16 upon 9 times L2 minus L2 in root. So 4 upon T3 is 16 upon 9 times L2. 16 minus 9, 7 upon 9 times L2. L2 by 9, L2 by 9 cancel. Root of 16, 4 upon root 7, 4, 4 cancel. Therefore, T3 equals to root 7 seconds. Any doubt? Any doubt in the sum?
No, sir.
Right. Can I complete? Clear it?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
A simple pendulum has time period T. This supports and pendulum falls. When pendulum falls freely, since pendulum falls freely, therefore G is 0. So time period will be infinity, option A. 61. A simple pendulum with bob of iron is made to vibrate on over horizontal plane pole pieces of electromagnet. In this is made up of iron. In electromagnet, when when current is increased, when current is increased, then field increases. If field increases means its attraction power will increase.
Yes, sir.
So restoring force will increase. Restoring force increases, therefore speed will increase. So time period will decrease. Frequency will increase. They want what is frequency of oscillation. It will increase. Option C. Today evening again extra class 10:15 to 11.
Done.
That's all for today. Evening we'll meet and start with new chapter, that is